blizzard warning in effect until midnight Central Standard Time tonight. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect until midnight Central Standard Time tonight. The winter weather advisory is no longer in effect. Timing: through early tonight. Impacts: the combination of strong winds, blowing snow, and falling temperatures will lead to dangerous travel conditions. Whiteout conditions are expected at times in open areas. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.